I bring you another new product. With me I have a control box and a panel controller. These products work hand in hand together with the GC-102 controller. First, let me introduce this controller box. This is a controller box which is going to control the leads. This is a voice controller box you can use with microphone. You can connect the microphones. You need to connect the Ethernet cable on this port. You're going to see later when I demonstrate how to connect this panel to the controller box and to the main controller, which is the G66 controller. It comes with its own power adapter. This is a power adapter. So you just connect here directly here. This is the main thing which I'm going to use to control. On the back of this here we have the port jack where you need to connect the Ethernet cable. You don't need any power supply. It doesn't have its own power jack, so it's going to use the same power from this lead controller. So without further ado, let me connect everything, then you can see how to connect. First, let me put on the power and put on the power supply, and the next thing we need to connect here on DMX. And we come here on the 66 Pro controller, we connect on DMX. This Ethernet cable we need to connect on this port. We need to connect on the back of this port. Any one of these ports is okay. You can choose any one of these ports, is okay. And you can see now this one is on. Let me put the power on. You can control using Ethernet direct, using this controller with Ethernet, or you can use the SD card. My controller is on, and this is the panel which I'm going to use controller. So on the panel here, first you need to go on the power on button. This is the power on button, so you need to click on power here, power on or off, then you click here on. The next thing you need to click on clear. So if you click on clear, it's going to read 6 effect. We have other options. Let me go on the option we have to control this panel. So you can see here we have the single loop. On the single loop you can control, you can put each effects manually. So if I click on single loop here, you can see we can control each manually. So when we have the program, so program up and program down is to change manually one by one. So you can see here I'm changing manually one by one here by just clicking here. You can see I'm changing the programs manually one by one. So you can click on program plus or program minus. Then there's another option here which we have on this controller, which is the self-propelled. So on self-propelled, it's going to change the effects by its own. So you just come and click here on self-protect here. So you can wait and see it's going to change an effect by its own. I'm going to touch anything. See now it's changed the effect to another effect. So you just click on self-propelled. It's going to go through all the effects which you programmed. We have the other options here. This is the soft effects. Soft, we have sing, romantic, and dynamic. This option, you use them if you want to use the audio option when you plug in this audio jack to the microphone or to the speaker. This is our hot selling product now. Reach to us, then we can get you sample for this product and you can try. It's really good for project use.